If you're looking for an easy way to organize information, track lists, or manage anything from contacts to inventory inside ClickUp, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create a database in ClickUp using their built-in templates so that everything runs smoother for your project or team. Let's dive right in and make your workflow more powerful and effortless. So first things first, make sure you're logged into your ClickUp account and you've landed on your dashboard. You should see all your spaces, folders, and projects lined up here. Now, locate the specific project you want to add your database to. Just hover your mouse over it, and you'll notice those familiar 3 little dots appearing on the right side. Think of these as your shortcut menu to all sorts of options you wouldn't want to miss. Click those 3 dots, and from the menu, select Template. This is how ClickUp lets you inject ready-made functionality into your workspace, saving you tons of time you'd otherwise spend setting things up from scratch. So hit Template. Then look for the option to Browse Templates. This opens up a gallery where you'll find templates for pretty much anything: docs, trackers, dashboards, and yes, databases. Now, in the search bar that pops up, type in Database. You'll see several database templates appear, all tailored for different needs, from CRM databases to content calendars. Take a moment here to filter through them. If you're not sure which one fits, just remember, you're not locked in. For example, a simple database template is great for storing structured data, while a CRM template might be perfect if you're tracking clients or leads. Choose the one that matches your goals today. Let's say you pick a general database template, click on it, and hit Use Template. Now, you'll be prompted to name your new database. Give it a name that makes sense for you and your team. Something descriptive, like Team Contacts or Equipment Inventory. This step helps everyone instantly know what's inside. Don't rush here. Clarity matters down the line. After naming your database, you'll see customization options before you finalize things. Maybe you want to tweak the columns, change labels, or add extra fields that are specific to your workflow. For instance, if you're building a contacts database, you could add a last contacted column or a link to LinkedIn profiles. This part might take a few moments, especially if you want it just right. And don't worry if you're unsure. ClickUp lets you edit later, so nothing is permanent. Once you're satisfied with your initial setup, click Use Template again. Your database is now live inside your project, ready for you to use and populate with data. One cool thing, you can always come back and rename your database or tweak it even more as your needs change. Maybe your list grows or you want to add automation. Just dive into the edit options at any time. That's pretty much it. You've just set up a fully functional database in ClickUp. From now on, information won't slip through the cracks. You can sort, filter, and link data in ways that keep your projects way more organized and efficient. If this helped you out, hit that like button to let me know, and don't forget to leave a comment with any questions or if you have other tricks for using databases in ClickUp. And if you want more easy tutorials like this, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in ClickUp.